Welcome, in front of me is HP ProBook 450, and in this video I will show you where to find this device's specifications. So first let's open the Start menu, then go to the Settings application, then select System, scroll down to the About section, and right here you'll be able to find all the information you need to know. So, device name, processor, installed RAM, and also some specifications for your Windows. Now, if you want to check your specifications in real time, you can do it the other way. Just right-click on a taskbar, select Task Manager, open More Details, then go to Performance. And right here you'll be able to find all the hardware installed in your PC and all the information about it, like the name over here and the specifications of a specific hardware part right here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.